I'm worried a little bit. Okay, I hope everything is perfect. It's two options. It will be too dark or I will be too hungry. It could be both, easily. Hi, this is the channel Home with Helga and my name is Olga. I'm an interior designer, expat, and right now I live in Berlin. In today's episode I want to talk about bedroom design mistakes which we're all doing, and that's okay, and the ways how to fix them. Let's transform your bedroom into the most comfortable room in your house. Don't worry, we will also transform other rooms, but we will start from the bedroom. I think that without a good floor plan, it doesn't matter. So let's talk about it now. Leave enough space for movements. It should be at least 60 centimeters or 70 centimeters for the comfortable passageway of one person. You should be able to open all the furniture, like open all the drawers, open all the doors in your wardrobe. So, and be able to actually walk around the bed comfortably. So, it's very important to think about it at the beginning when you're just planning your bedroom. Remember that the bed is a focal point of your room, of your bedroom, so give it the space that it deserves. It's okay to move furniture sometimes, to find the perfect placement. It's not that hard, but it takes time. And so don't be afraid to move it around, to play with it, to see how you feel about it, because what's the most important is your comfort. Because you deserve it. I hate general lighting, I hate ceiling lighting, I never turn it on. And I think that it's so important to be able to control the lighting in your bedroom. And the dimmers and smart bulbs, this is the perfect way. What you need for the perfect lighting in your bedroom, it's different sources of lighting. If you have only ceiling lighting, and it's probably ugly, it's not sexy, especially in a bedroom, invest in some table lamps, desk lamps, or other things. If you think that, oh, but I'm renting, I don't want to invest too much money in a lighting, that's false. You do want, and you will thank me later, because if you buy something for yourself, you can take it with you or sell it to other people, that's not a problem, but your comfort of living, this is what's the most important in that situation. So invest in different types of light and also buy smart bulbs. It's actually not that expensive right now, but you can control the mood, you can control the color temperature. You can dim the light without a dimmer, and you can do it all from your phone. Buy some warm bulbs, smart bulbs, and dimmers, and different types of lights. This is your best friends for the luxurious lighting in your bedroom. And yes, guys, don't forget to follow my channel for more videos. I have a big plans for YouTube. Okay, and mistake number 3, it's buying matching furniture. Yes, this is a big problem and big no-no. It doesn't matter how expensive your furniture is, but if you buy everything from the one catalog page, it will never look good, because this is what really makes bedroom boring, and there is no individuality, there is no you. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles. So, and furniture doesn't have to be very expensive. Like you can mix IKEA furniture. But please don't buy all from the same collection, please. So if you don't have enough storage, if you feel that your bedroom is cluttered, if you don't know where to place your things, you can check my videos about storage in small spaces. You can buy the bed with underneath storage, or you can buy some special underneath storage containers for your things. I know now it's so popular to go for minimalism and just puts only shelves on the wall as a nightstand. I think it came from the hotels, because in the hotels what's most important is time is money. And I think if you don't live in a hotel, you can change your nightstand for the bigger nightstand with more drawers, where you can place the stuff. Remember, out of sight is out of mind. Okay, and we have a little bit more. Yes. Okay, let's talk about your mattress and your pillows. I think like there is nothing better than invest in a good mattress, than invest in a beautiful bed. This is what actually affects the quality of your sleep. And before you choose a mattress, you should lie on it. Think what kind of mattress do you prefer. I like some orthopedical mattresses with some support, yes, because I'm turning 30 this year, you know. Yes, it's never too late to buy a good mattress and a good orthopedical pillow. So, yes. Next thing to talk about is choosing the right curtains. Yes, it's so important. As I said before, you should understand your needs, the needs of that room. There are different types of curtains, like blackout curtains, thermal curtains, soundproofing curtains. When you understood like, okay, I just need a blackout curtains, now it's time to talk about the placement of them. And the right size, the right curtain rod placement can also make your room appear bigger and higher. So this is a super life hack. Choose the curtains that reaching the floor. Don't choose short one. It's shortening your room, but everybody want to embrace a height of the ceiling. So that's why I choose the full length curtains. And this is a perfect ways to hang them. You can thank me in the comment section. Okay, and the next mistake is too many pillows. I don't know why people getting so upset with pillows, why they're buying like 10 of them and placing them. I mean, how do you sleep in that bed? Where do you putting them? Decorative pillows should enhance, not overwhelm. So choose the odd number of pillows which you really like in different sizes with different textures, and keep a storage basket to keep them there. And that's it. You don't need a million pillows on your bed to be happy. Okay, and the last mistake, which is so easy to fix, is poor bedding. So what I'm talking about, choose the natural materials, such as cotton, linens, silk, if you that rich, but actually it's okay to sleep on cotton and linens. It's better to invest in good quality bedding than like buy 10 different but synthetic one. It's not good for your skin. I mean, you spend 8 hours every day in that bed. So think about what touches your skin, like what touches your face. So it's better to have 2 sets of good bedding than 10 of bad one. For the budget-friendly options, you can check H&M home sections. They have really nice bedding sets. So me, basically, I believe that all of my bedding are from H&M home. Okay, this is not advertising, not yet at least. And please, don't buy some sheets with a big pattern, with a crazy pattern. Okay, if you want some patterns on your bed sheets, invest in some like small patterns, maybe stripes or something small. Don't buy big patterns, don't buy big floral patterns, because actually they like create a visual clutter. I think that the best choice, the safest choice, is something like without any pattern at all, just maybe something colorful, maybe like gray, beige, or something like a pastel colors. If you want to go crazy in your bedroom but you're afraid of color, this is a place where you can bring it, and actually you can change the mood of the room with just changing the linens, changing the beddings. It's so easy and it's so fun, and it brings so nice personality touches to your home. Go wild. But not too wild. Yeah, you remember what I said about the patterns. No big patterns, please. I think that the quality bedding, it's actually a great present as well, but just like check before what size of the bed they have, and that's it. By avoiding these design mistakes, you will create such a comfortable, relaxing and functional bedroom that you deserve. Trust me, you deserve it. And yes, share your opinion in the comment sections. Ask me questions. I would love to discuss some topics with you in the comments. Share this video with your friends, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye. As a tradition, this is a Perchik, my main star of this channel, right, Perchik? Okay, now bye.